Alright, so how to use voice chat in Claude AI? First of all, just open your Claude app on desktop or browser, and after that, just open a new chat, or if you have already opened an existing chat, go on the chat and select your model. So as you can see, I have selected maximum efficiency and I have selected the best model, Sonnet. As you can see, Sonnet 4.6. These are all pro version. So Sonnet 4.6, and right beside this microphone option, you will see this web option. Okay, now click on it, and as you can see, I'm talking to Claude right now. So I'm gonna ask it a question. Hi Claude, how are you? How am I speaking?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. And how you're speaking to me is through
As
voice.
you can see.
Sounds like a real
Okay,
conversation.
now stop. Now, if you're seeing an error over here, a red type of error that your microphone is not working, uh, just make sure go on this control panel right over here and make sure your microphone is enabled. Now, if you are unable to see this option and if you are using a different browser, make sure to go on the browser settings, go on search bar, type microphone, and make sure your microphone is enabled for all sides. After that, you will be able to use this voice mode option. Now, if you want to change the language of voice mode, go on bottom left corner, click on your account, and here under settings, click on language, and after that you can change your voice mode language. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.